Hello, my dear friends. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. So, today I'm going to show how to make this animated, super cool, and awesome PowerPoint presentation. So, you can make this presentation very quickly in just few steps. I'm going to show how to make this step by step. And now, without wasting time, let's get into the video and start making this presentation. So, first of all, let us take a blank presentation. And now let us add a rounded rectangular shape. So I'll go to insert. In the shape, here we have an option of rectangle, the rounded corners one. So I'll select this, and with this yellow button, I'll adjust this corners. So you can set this like this according to your preference. And in this one, let us select no outline. And in this way, let us create duplicate of this. And let us say we want to make 4 number of this. So I'll duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D, and I'll press this 3 times. So this is how I created 4 different copies of this one. Now let us color this. So you can take different color palettes from internet. So let me take blue color palettes. And if I go to images, there are different colors available in the shades of blue. So you can take any one of this. So let us say you want to take colors from this one. So I'll just take a snip of this by pressing Window Shift S, and I'll select only this part. And now this clip image has been copied into my clipboard. And now I'll go to my presentation and paste it over here. So you have this color palettes over here. You can take different color palettes also. Now let us say you want to pick any of the color from this image which you have just pasted. So I will select first. So I'll first select this image, go to shape format, and in the shape fill, I will go to eyedropper tool. And now after selecting that eyedropper tool, wherever I will select, the shape will take color of that. So let us say I'm selecting this color. So it will take color of that particular area. I will select the another shape, then go to shape format, and again I'll go to eyedropper and let us select this color. So in this way, I can select colors of all of this rectangles. So now as you can see, we have 4 different shades of blue. And in the background of the slide area, let us select, again go to eyedropper tool and let us select this light blue shade. So now our initial setup is done. Let us arrange this text boxes. But before that, you can add titles and subtitles over here. So I've just copy pasted it over here like this. And now you can group them. This rectangular shape, this text box and this one, and press Ctrl G so that they group together. And you can duplicate this for all these 4 rectangular shapes. And now let us randomly arrange this over the right hand side like this and rotate it a bit. And you can add a title over here of your slide. And now it's time to add animation to these 4 cards which we have just created. So let us go to animation and let us add for this group number 25, this one. Let us add exit animation. So we will go to this is entrance emphasis and we have an exit animation over here. So we will select fly out animation and the effect would be to top like this. And let us repeat the same animation for this remaining text boxes. So I'll select this, go to animation painter and select this one. Let us copy paste the animation to other text boxes like this. And let us arrange this back to its position. So now if you go to animation, these all animations are applied and this is on click, all of the animation, and that's it. Now let us see what we have made till now. If I go to slideshow, the first topic will look like this. If you click, then the first will go up. Then if you click again, you can uh, move the cards to the top side by clicking on the screen or on the cards which you have. And one more thing, if you want to add a slow animation, a smooth end when the card goes up, then you go to this animation pane, uh, right click and go to effect options, and here you can select smooth end. So if my, let us say if my duration is 2 seconds, and again if I go to effect options, then you can select smooth end of 1 second and 1 second, and let us press OK. So this will go slowly compared to 1 second, and you can apply this to all of the other cards. So I hope you like this video and find this video informative and useful. So do hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. And for more videos like this, do visit our channel. Hoping to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.